Amandla, the high power, Archangel Raziel. Amandla makhulu. Mlaleli, esimene sakho sokuthola umsebenzi, sebhizinisi, sezezimali. Angithi usunawo umdonso wemali, uthathe ugeze ngawo. And command Archangel Raziel power. Konke lokhu ukwenza ngo-11 ebusuku ubone amandla kamoya e-Archangel Raziel esebenzelana nomdonso wemali. Sithinde ku 063 689 8922. Shintsha impilo yakho namhlanje ngomdonso wemali namandla ka-Archangel Raziel.
Siyabingelela baba dokotela baba Sizwe baba Jabulile sithi siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi namhlanje sekuJuly and then it's been very cold kuJune, very cold. Kade ngise warden it was -3. It is very cold in Villiers. Friday I've been there and then against izinto. Our Friday is a Free State, Villiers is a Free State, Warden is a Free State. If I'm running first is a Free State ngifika ngadle breakfast laphana. If I'm running kunenye nje restaurant onamandiya bengifuna ukudla nje uBrian wamandiya then. And then winter has been very cold. And then I was also in Marshalltown in Johannesburg. Kukhona into bengoyifuna lapha eFaradale. I checked in eBramfontein eProtea Pactonian Hotel bezuthi iPactonian Protea Pactonian Hotel manje sekuyile gama leli ngeke ngikwazi ukusebenzisa for business purposes lela sebelisebenzisa manje and I checked in there ngadle breakfast yabo ngase ngaya ke look eFaradale ngathatha lento bengoyithatha ke khona namhlanje enyangeni kaJuly sithatha isinqumo sokuthi si-advertise izinyanga zonke zase Johannesburg as available njengamanje besifuna ukufaka umama uMakhosi umkhonto use South Lenasia inamba yakhe ithi 064 082 4151 qale phansi 064 082 4151 sona sangoma ke lesiyana unamathwasa umama nje usemdala can be trusted kune realm of yokwelapha engisho ukuthi simzamile ke sisengobaba dokotela Peter Ltd azange sikwazi ukuthi simthole ngalondlela ke nina ke nidinga usizo lamakhambi ense Johannesburg South Lenasia nizowazi ukuthi nimthole baba dokotela try the best and then share my message simtshese zomfonela we even called on advance ukuthi ngosuku lokuthi sokufonela Dlozi sifuna ukunika space then uDlozi akatholakala ngisho we don't promote a business finally because intention is to make sure that abalaphi bendabuko bayasizakala noba ngabe bakuphi. Remember this thing, it is free. They're not owing me anything. I'm not owing them anything. I'm only helping them. I am babu dokotela because once you call yourself ubaba, stand up as a father. Namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngemithi yesichitho versus imithi yenhlanhla. Why isichitho sinamandla kangaka versus imithi yenhlanhla? Ake sikhande isichitho. Isifutha masemba nonokane, it's all known ukuthi number 1 loyo. But angikho mina lapho. Ngifuna mina sithole unokane neqanda mase sifaka leminye imithi kwakhiwe isichitho lapho. Isichitho become very potent and it lasts very long. Isichitho leso. And isichitho you cannot be praying ukuthi isichitho siphela ngiyakwazi ukwenza lonto lena. Ngiyozukwazi. You can never be praying. Uzothi ubaba dokotela just said we are not a believer, you can pray for everything. Rubbish, you cannot pray for everything because imoto yakho njengoba nginawo petrol ngiyozuyithandaza ukuthi ekseni no petrol. Never. Njengoba ungayithelele imoto yakho for 2 years, there's no way that ungathandaza idisk ukuthi ibe renewed. Never. There are things that you can pray for, but there are things that you cannot pray. Did you know that angels don't pray? Angels don't pray. Do you know why they don't pray? Because they're not made to pray. They worship God. That's all they do. They give praise to God, not that they give prayers to God. God himself does not pray. God is an eater. He eats worship from angels and people. That's what he does, is not pray. And as you are much praying, sometimes you pray for the wrong things. Ngisho ukuthi njengamanje sifuna ukufundisa ukuthi isichitho why it's so potent. So sibaleka kakhulu. Si potent, not important. Si potent kakhulu kunemithi yenhlanhla. Asingene nemithi yenhlanhla. Imithi yenhlanhla uzungabi na inhlanhla, what caused you? What is it? Yini imbangela behind ungabi nenhlanhla? Imbangela ukuthi ungabi nenhlanhla because we are embraced by isichitho. Wena ngesikhathi ufuna imithi yenhlanhla we are not considering ukuthi unesichitho vese. Okufuza ukuthi into efuna uqala uyenze, eject isichitho. If usuyifakile imithi yesichitho, imithi yesichitho ozoyifaka kufuna kube imithi e-adversary to isichitho. Awungizwa ukuthi ngithini. Imithi ozoyifaka ayibe adversary emthini yesichitho, kodwa wazi ukuthi le mithi oyifakayo inayo futhi imithi okwakhe isichitho such as u-ocotibulata ufithizunokani. Uzokwazi ukuthi pervert isichitho kungene ke imithi yenhlanhla. Uma usufaka imithi yenhlanhla emthini yenhlanhla oyifakayo ifaka imithi yenhlanhla but akube nayo futhi imithi okwakhe isichitho njengomahokwe. Emthini wakhe enhlanhla ube khona mahokwe. Emthini enhlanhla sibe khona idlesa Thekwane. Emthini yakhe enhlanhla ube khona uThekwane. Uyaunderstand thini? Knowing very well ukuthi uThekwane wenza ezinye izinto kodwa uma uswakhe into enhlanhla you demand ukuthi iba nawo uThekwane. Awube khona phela uThekwane. Ukwazi ukuthi lento othi uyayaka yenzeke. Wazi ngoba lana sikhuluma ngemithi yenhlanhla othola ukuthi manje ngazi ukuthi ayisebenzi kanti ayisebenzi nje abantu abangayinayo inhlanhla noba nenkinga enhlanhla bavalo ukuthi at first bebe nesichitho but abafuni ukuthi isichitho basikhishwe uthi hayi ngilaphe naso isichitho silungile wasiyeke ungasikiphi isichitho kuzongikhosa isikhathi uzongithathela imali ngilapha awukwazi ukulashwa nesichitho that you cannot do.